Hi, I'm Brenda from the Family Benefits Advice team in Employers for Childcare, and I just want to do this short video to briefly explain the two-child cap to you and the impact that this might have on parents. So the two-child cap was introduced in April 2017 for tax credits and universal credit. So essentially, if you have two or more children on your claim and you have an additional child born after April 2017, then this child will be capped. And this means that no child element will be added to your claim for this child. So it's important to note, though, that it's only the child element that has actually been capped, and that means that you can still have other elements added, such as a disability element or even a claim for childcare costs for that child that's been capped. So it is important to note, and we do get a lot of calls on this, that yes, you can still claim your childcare for the child that is capped, and that's always good to know as well. There are exceptions to the two-child rule. For example, if you have two children and you're now expecting twins, then you would get the child element for one of those children. So it wouldn't be that the two children would be capped, just one of them would be capped, and the other one you would get the child element for. So that's one of the exceptions as well. Another exception that we get calls on is when a mother of a child or qualifying young person has a baby themselves. The mother can choose, i.e. the grandmother can choose to continue to claim for that child as well as her own child, which is quite a common scenario that a lot of grandparents actually do claim for the child and the new baby, the new grandchild. And so it's important to remember that that is actually one of the exceptions as well. So it won't matter. The two-child cap is not applied in that scenario. It's also worth noting that the two-child cap isn't on child benefit either. So you would continue to get the additional $13.95 per week for the additional child. And again, there's a lot of confusion out there with the child benefit. So just to clarify, there is no two-child cap on child benefit. So as many children born after April 2017, you can still claim that additional $13.95 per week per child for those additional children, even if they were born after April 2017. So, and if you want more information on the two-child cap or any other information that we have, you can visit our website, employersforchildcare.org, and where we have a number of fact sheets that you can pick up further information. Or if you'd like to speak to one of our advisors, then you can certainly contact us on our free phone number, 0800 028 3008. And we also have an email that you can pop us an email, hello@employersforchildcare.org, and we'll respond by email as well there. So there's various ways to get in touch. Just thought I would cover off very briefly the two-child cap, because we do get a lot of questions on that. And if you want to speak to an advisor more on this situation, if you're a bit confused about this and it does affect you, then obviously get in touch then. Okay.